Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a list view in Salesforce to help you filter and organize your records more effectively. But before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so all you gotta do first is go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, and then go to salesforce.com. And once you are on salesforce.com, create an account if you don't have one. And then once you've created your account, log in with your credentials. And yeah, let's start. So here we can see a lot of things in our interface. So we are going to create a list view in Salesforce because it's a valuable tool for a lot of reasons, depending on your specific needs and objectives, okay? So a list view allows you to organize and categorize records within an object, making it easier to find and work with your specific data. And it is particularly useful for objects like, contacts, accounts, leads, and opportunities. And list view helps you filter records based on specific criteria, allowing you to access the data that's most relevant to your current task without, sifting through irrelevant information. And for instance, you can update the status of your multiple leads or change the ownership of several accounts with a few clicks. So how do we do that? It's a little bit simple. I'm gonna walk you through on it. Don't worry. Okay, so first off is you go to account and you see the gear icon here. When you hover down to the gear icon, click that and it says new. Okay, so for this training video, let's say customer list view. All right. So it gives you an option here. All I can see is this list view, all users, whatnot. So for the time being, let's take this option below and click save. And when you click save, you can see that you should check the options of all accounts. Done. Okay. And then once that, all I gotta do is you can also add a filter here. So for the filter, maybe let's use the type. All right. And for the equals, let's say for the value here, let's say customer. Okay. And once that is okay, you click save. Once you click save, that's it. Ready? See it here. Go to the gear option and yeah, that's how you create your list view in Salesforce. And also, may I just share with you that, for instance, that you are updating the status of multiple leads or changing the ownership of several accounts with a few clicks. This is the right method to do, because in list view you can create and track and also manage tasks such as open opportunities or unresolved support cases, and it helps ensure that the important tasks don't fall through the cracks, all right? And once again, creating list views in Salesforce empowers users to work more efficiently, making better informed decisions and maintain data accuracy. It's a fundamental feature for customizing the Salesforce experience to fit your specific business process and objectives. Also, in customer service, list view helps agents quickly identify and work on support cases based on criteria like priority or status. And once again, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up below. And if you have any further topics that you would like us to discuss regarding about Salesforce, just leave it in the feedback or comments. And yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys again in the next video.